Hey guys, Better Glasgow here once again. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we've had 4 days of the Paul Manafort trial. And quite frankly, if this is the best Mueller has in his arsenal, he's pretty much fucking boned. You might as well just end the fucking investigation into the Russia collusion already. Anyway, getting on to the Manafort trial. Been 4 fucking days, pretty much a fucking nothing. Okay? The prosecution team, Mueller's team, has been admonished every fucking day by the judge. Now, don't get me wrong, Paul Manafort's defense attorney, they got admonished once or twice as well. And mainly for rolling their eyes, so did the prosecution team. Basically, Mueller's team has been getting fucking bitch slapped down by the judge. And rightfully so, because the judge is going by the law. The letter of the law. Which is what needs to be going on. Remember, I'm an independent. And I go by the rule of law. And everything the prosecution has been bringing up is nothing. Okay? Now, don't get me wrong. This is coming from a person who, hey, I believe Paul Manafort is #1 guilty of witness tampering and shit like that. He fucked himself over on that. Should have done that. I'm open to the possibility, did he do some corruption with embezzlement 10 years ago? Possibility. Show me the evidence on that one. Which is what the prosecution team from Mueller should have came out swinging with. Okay? What did they come out with? Trying to, and what did they get admonished about? Trying to show pictures of inside Paul Manafort's closet. All sorts of fancy clothing, some vehicles, trying to say he shouldn't be able to afford this on his salary, or look what all he spends his money on. To which the judge said, no, you cannot admit that. Someone being wealthy and successful is not a sign of fucking guilt. Which is true. Being wealthy doesn't make you guilty. Not here in America. #2, you have to prove these embezzled funds bought that. Can you prove it? Well, no, we can't. Then it can't be admissible. Okay? Another smackdown by the judge to Mueller's team, trying to relate Paul Manafort to the Russian oligarch. No, this trial, and the judge warned them before they went to trial. Your case is on embezzlement and tax evasion and witness tampering now, not the Russian probe. So you can't talk about Trump. You can't talk about the Russian collusion investigation. And can't talk about the oligarchy and shit like it. Can't talk about oligarchy because that could perjure the jury. Not perjure, prejudicate the jury. So the only shining and wasn't even shining, the only thing that came right from the Mueller team was they brought in one of the tax preparers from Manafort. And under immunity, she testified that, yeah, I prepared at least one tax report for him. I thought it may have been kind of fishy, but I didn't say anything, and I let it go. You're not supposed to fucking do that. If you think something's fishy, you gotta make it right. So that's the only thing they got so far. But this is the best they got, and I don't even buy all that. If Mueller keeps doing this, dude, Mueller's getting smacked all the way fucking around because his cases aren't holding up to fucking water. Okay? The one that the Russian company came in and challenged him on, is the Russian company's probably going to fucking win. Manafort is most likely going to win his case if they don't bring up something good against him. Because all they got is circumstantial shit. They don't have nothing good. And another thing, which is another reason I think, and I personally think, unless something seriously comes up that they can prove against Paul Manafort, Manafort's going to win his case. Because Mueller's team is so fucking stupid, they're going to get at least a fucking mistrial. Because they're doing stupid shit. Nothing that they brought up so far that I've seen in the boards proves guilt. Now the tax statement, possibility. I'll give them that one. I'll lean that one towards them, possibility. But you got to prove without a reasonable doubt that he's guilty. And they're pissing away this chance, the prosecution team. Okay? And let's just say that they pull out this miraculous miracle. Manafort may get time served. He's been in jail for a while. So he may get time served on this. Because look, another reason he may get this dismissed. Okay? Usually when, especially a wealthy person, goes for tax evasion, you pay a huge fine for back taxes, and you can face some jail time. Usually about a year, maybe 2. They're trying to go for over 300 years on Paul Manafort. That's asinine. Just nothing more than fucking proof that Mueller is going all out to try to squeeze Paul Manafort and the others to go make something up about President Trump. If he had look, if Mueller had shit on Trump after 2 fucking years, they'd announced it by now. They got nothing. In fact, he's hardly even mentioning Trump anymore. If you're to go back 10 fucking years on shit, it's over. It's over. Collusion is not a fucking crime. And collusion isn't even and it's not illegal. I mean, you can do it as a politician. It doesn't fucking matter. We're not at war with fucking Russia. I'm not even a member of the fucking board. I know this shit. So, now, let's say Manafort does win this case, whether it gets dismissed or he wins it. Doesn't fucking matter. Who do you think is going to come after him? He has grounds for a lawsuit against Mueller and the team. And who? Now, granted, you're going to have permission from the government to sue. But guess who's in control of the government? Donald Trump. Do you think he would not take a fucking open shot to, hey, I got corrupt judicial system here? Yeah, you can sue the government. Go for it. Do you think he wouldn't fucking agree to that? Of course not. That's fucking stupid. This is a clear misuse of power. Okay? And I'm sorry, it needs to go. I mean, I gave you your chance to prove it to me. I'm an open-minded person, okay? Prove to me and show me the fucking evidence, and you brought me nothing. And this is another example. Okay? This is strike 2 or 3, Mueller. You couldn't prove it against the fucking Russian banks because you didn't think he'd ever come over here. One came over to challenge you, and you weren't fucking ready to go after him in a court of law. That was number 1. Mueller here, and then General Flynn. You got him trying to clap a fucking plea deal. Then it comes out that the FBI agents that you're trying to say he lied to the FBI on come out and say, no, he told us the fucking truth. We didn't think he lied. He said, fuck you, and took for the plea deal anyway because you threatened to go after his son. That's number 2. So Flynn's countering that fucking deal. Now he's probably going to want to fight, and he'll probably fucking win. Now you got fucking Paul Manafort. You could have had dead rights for something, and you're fucking it away by coming after this cheap shit. Shit that doesn't even prove that he's fucking guilty. At least not in accordance with the law. Number 4, you got, I'm going to indict several other fucking people from Russia. Okay, come fucking prove it. This is my thing. Prove it. Don't just throw out shit. Doesn't mean you're going to go to trial. Don't fucking send out names you know you're never going to fucking get. Show me the fucking proof. And you show none. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm wrong? Do you think Paul Manafort is going to get thrown in jail for 300 years? Do you think he's going to get off with a mistrial? I think he's going to get it. If this is the best they got for this case, I think he's probably going to get off. Though I don't think he should. I think he should be found guilty for at least witness tampering. And if he is guilty of the embezzlement, like they're saying, I think he should go to jail as well. But for the reasonable amount of time under the law, the 300 years is not. A year is. A year to 2 years is. But they're fucking this up so bad on the prosecution, I don't think they're going to get it. I think they're going to be able to give Mueller a chance to walk scot-free. He's not by him saying anything about the president, just by saying them because they're so fucking stupid on this case. And once he wins, gets it, that's going to be a big opening to end the Mueller probe. Because if they can't win this, there's nothing else. And they're losing the Flynn, really. Once they go to trial, they're holding off to go on to that. There's going to be nothing there. Alright, what do you guys think? Think I'm wrong? Go down below and tell me in the comment section. Then while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're doing that, go over and hit that subscribe button. Alright? As always, you guys take care, and I'll see you all next time.